Hey everyone, okay, so Black Friday sales are starting early this year, and this is the one you actually want to shop. So guess who I partnered with to get you an amazing deal site-wide? Merit, yep. It's Merit's only sale of the year. And you get 20% off site-wide right now with my code. Plus, you'll receive this beautiful limited edition Merit card case with blotting papers, free with every order while stocks last. Now, Merit is the makeup routine that genuinely makes your skin better the more you use it. So let me show you the flawlessness that is Merit. Now, I always start with Merit's Great Skin Serum and Dr. Sam's Flawless Moisturizer Intense. Together, they create that smooth, healthy glow. And here's a little trick. Once it's sunk in, I gently blot away the extra. So you'll get the radiance, but your base will grip beautifully and stay fresh all day. Next, the Minimalist Foundation and Concealer Stick. Oh, I love this. Just where you need it. So around the nose, the forehead, the cheeks, you cannot go wrong as the coverage is light, meaning you cannot over apply. It gives believable coverage. So I use this daily, and that's a fact. And this is my favorite product of 2025. Then a touch of the Flush Balm on the cheeks. This keeps the complexion alive. I like to blend it upwards, downwards, outwards. It always leaves the cheeks dewy. And just the tiniest bit of Laura Mercier translucent powder in the right places. Don't over powder. That glow will get better as the day goes on. Now, a quick brush through the brows with Merit Brow 1980, and you are good to go. And that's it. A natural, effortless look that enhances your skin rather than hiding it. Perfect for every day, and even better for gifting. For yourself, for your mum, for your daughter, for your friends, for yourself. So don't wait until the 24th. Shop now through my link and get 20% off site-wide before the sale officially begins. After midnight on the 23rd, the discount will automatically apply. And the Merit card case with blotting papers will ship free with every order while supplies last. It's the easiest makeup routine that looks good on everyone. And honestly, it does make your skin look better every single time you use it. Thank you for your time. Enjoy the sale. See you next time. Bye-bye. Subscribe. It's what all the attractive people are doing.